Hey guys, welcome to IBcade. Alright, so today we got something very special for you guys. I've been waiting for these. It finally arrived, all three of them. We got the S21 in front of me, the brand new SmartTag from Samsung. This is going to be like your tile. We'll see how smart it is. And lastly, the brand new Galaxy Buds Pro in silver. So this is what I've got, and I'm excited to be unboxing this, unwrapping these things, and kind of showing you what's inside each and every one of them, so stick around. Alright, let's talk about the Smart Tracker. Brand new from Samsung. This is a tracking device much like a tile if you've ever used one. You can use it on your keys. Let's make some space here. Put it on your bag and pretty much just track things if you lost it. So this is pretty exciting. I usually have a tile around, so maybe I can integrate this now with my phone and I don't have to carry a tile. We'll see. But just from the look of the box, very simple indeed. That's all we get right here. And it's super light, matte black. I like the finish. And you can press it in the middle. So if you press it in the middle, it makes a sound and you know the battery's already there. So I'm excited to use this. Super simple. I wish it was a different color because sometimes matte black is hard to find, but for now it's fine for what it is. I'll find a use case for it. Next, we got the Galaxy Buds Pro, brand new this year, and I'm more excited about this actually than all three of these right now, because this right here is supposed to sound better. It's supposed to be more comfortable. I use my buds quite a bit, so I think this should be a big departure from the very first buds that I used to have. And I made a video about how those buds were super cheap to get if you needed any wireless buds. So I'm excited about this. Again, it's very light, very small, and it's like square instead of rectangular like the old one. Oh, a little bit hard to open. And there it is right there with your shiny reflectors. And you can definitely tell they're much more modern. It has so many features in here. It's got waterproofing, noise canceling. It's supposed to let you hear and talk at the same time. It's got so many features compared to the first Galaxy Buds. It's incredible. So here it is. They're already charged up in green. Here's your left bud. And I think the case is super nice. Like it's very light. It's kind of slippery, to be honest, and it's hard to open with one hand. I tried it. You almost need two hands. Man, that's slippery. All right, so there you go. That's how you open it, and you can use one finger, but it's not easy, so might drop these quite a bit. Maybe if they sell like a rubber grip for it, it's better, but it's just a clamshell. Much like the first buds, it just pops right open and close, you know, with a very satisfying pop. And those are magnetic, so you can easily put it back in. And they're just going everywhere right now, but yeah, they should just snap right in there. And you can carry these around in your bag. There's your USB-C connector right there. All right, so very interested. Let's see what this is right here. Yes, there it is, USB to USB-C for charging. It's at least nice that Samsung gives us cables, right? And we know that the S21 doesn't have any charger this year. What's this? What is this? Oh, this is those earbud caps, I bet. Let's see here. There it is. Yep, four pieces, four small pieces. So I'll fiddle with these, trying to see what fits in my ear. I think normally I just have average size ears, so the ones that are already in there usually works for me, but we'll take a look. All right, but you can fit these accordingly, change them out if you need to. I think they're replacements. All right, so there you go. Now we got your tags there, your Galaxy Buds Pro. All right, so these are what we have. They're all very simple unboxings, not much in them. You can tell Samsung really didn't put a lot of things in there. And here it is, S21 5G, super light. And the one I got, guess what color it is. Hurry up. All right, there it is. There's your cover. And it's dusty already in there. And black. Now this is not the same black that the Ultra gets. This is more of a grayish black. This is not the Phantom black. I believe that's the actual name. So this is more of a gray. I wish they had the Phantom black with the darker matte, but this is about as good as it gets. All right. Camera in the back, it's got a cover for that. Can't wait to use those cameras, see what it's like. Let's see what else is in the box. We got your SIM card ejector tool right there. Comes every year. All right. Anything else? Nope. That's it. Where's the charger? All right. So there it is. Your USB-C to USB-C cable. All right. So here it is. I mean, if you guys don't have a charger brick, if this is like your first Samsung Galaxy phone, I'm sorry to break it to you, but you're gonna have to go to the store or go to Amazon and buy some chargers. I'll link some good chargers below that you can check out if you're brand new to this. But if you had the S20 or even the S10, you can use the old brick chargers. So that's kind of what Samsung wants us to do, is use those chargers. And the rest is just instructions. You know, there's a SIM card in there, but that was it. All right. So let's take off. Let's peel this. Oh, should I peel it? I hate peeling this, to be honest. I don't have a screen protector yet, but you know, whatever. This is an unboxing video, so we'll peel it. But just look at it. I mean, look at the color. Very nice. I'm gonna do a full review on this, so don't worry about it. All right, so there it is. Super flat. You can enjoy it. And let's turn it on. As you can see, the on button is right there, right where the thumb goes, so that's convenient. And stoked about that. And mine is for T-Mobile, so that's why I'm getting this. If you have an unlocked device or a different carrier, you're gonna get a different startup. And there we go. Welcome. All right, our first look at the S21, and it is flat screen. Thank goodness. I wanted a flat screen from Samsung for so long. Like, I love the 10e for that, and the S20 I was expecting like a S20e, but that didn't happen. The bezels, they're not perfectly symmetrical. Like there is small chin, but it is better than the S20. It's pretty heavy compared to the S10 and the S20 in my opinion. It just feels that way. Definitely coming from the S10, which I am. It does feel a little bit heavier, but it's fine. And the camera in the middle is very tiny, very small. I think it's the same size as last year's. So I don't mind. I'm glad that it's in the center this time, just like last year, instead of being on the corner. I personally enjoy that. And other than that, it's pretty much your typical Galaxy S21 with your USB-C there. And I just can't wait to review it and show you guys everything that this phone can do. All right, so let's put everything back. Here it is, the entire unboxing for you guys. I was gonna do it one by one, but I thought, you know what, why not just do all three of them at once? Some of you guys might have gotten this. This was like a deal going on in Samsung. You can trade in your phone, you could get a package, and to be honest, it's a tremendous deal if you already have a Galaxy phone, like a recent, because the trade-in values are pretty high. So it was pretty good. And as you can see, lots of things here, and I'm just going to review every one of these in the next coming days. So stick around, watch my videos. Subscribe if you haven't already and crush that like button, alright? Stay safe guys, I'll see you in the next. Thanks.